Good morning, another day, another video. So, maghatid kami ni Georgie, guys. Tapos, may pupuntahan kaming, garage para i-test drive yung sasakyan. May nakita si Mr. na sasakyan for me. At bet na bet niya. So, ang aga-aga, minura ako. Tawanan ko lang naman yan pag hinay blood, hindi ko yan pinapatulan. Chika ko sa inyo mamaya, ha? Mag-ready lang muna kami, tapos hatid namin si Georgie, tapos sama ko kayo, no? Para makita nyo din ba, para may idea kayo pag bibili kayo ng sasakyan. Dito na tayo sa school, guys. Ayan. Si Georgie nag-phone agad. Ayan si Mr. Driver. So,
Mr. Chauffeur.
Mr. Chauffeur pag day off namin. Mr. Chauffeur every Tuesday at Friday. Sorry, no? Andito kami sa guys, sa petrol station. Minto kami. On the way kami sa sa garage. Minto muna kami sa petrol station para bumili ng kape. Kalimutan kong hindi pala ako nakapagkape, kaya lagi akong naghikab. Naalala ko din last Monday, nung pag-duty ko, nagtataka, bakit pagod na pagod? As in, alam mo yung lagi ako naghikab eh. Tapos, yun pala, naalala ko, hindi pala ako nakapagkape. Tapos, ayan, sumasakit na yung ulo ko. Pag-addict talaga sa kape, no? Hindi pwede walang kape sa umaga sa akin talaga. Parang something's missing. Ayan, buti si Mr. Alalay agad. Ayan, bumili agad ng kape. Thank you, darling. Fine. Snack. Cute, no? Is this like a meal deal?
No.
Eh, nagising na konti. Ang bilis.
Shove it up your nose.
I shove it this one on your nose. Look, oh. So, yung garage, guys, on the way sa dating, ha? Oh, madadaanan namin yung kung saan yung old house ni, ng parents-in-law ko. Medyo malayo. Nag-decide si Mr. guys, titingnan namin yung dating bahay ni, ng parents niya. Tingnan natin.
After 200
As you can see the front, no? So, ito yung guys. Ito yung houses kung saan yung bahay ng na magulang ni Mr. Ha? Mga bungalows at saka detached house. So yung doon, guys, yung kung saan yung may truck.
They convert the garage.
Yeah, kung saan yung may truck, yan yung bahay ni Yan bahay ni parents ni Gary dati, yung bungalow. It looks like they make it room, no? It's a good idea because that garage is big,
at the end of the road,
double garage.
turn right
You don't
on
need to.
Glenfield Park Road.
Because you've got a double drive and a double garage, you can park the cars out the front.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Swerte nung nakabili ng bahay, guys.
Then, at the end of the road,
Yun nga lang,
turn left.
malayo sa sa town. Yung kalsada, guys, grabe kakipot, oh.
One car.
One car only. Naintindihan ni Daddy. Daddy understand what I'm saying.
Better for your health, better air.
Yeah, better.
Fresh air, not bloody pollution.
England is beautiful talaga, no? Lots of greenery. Daddy, no?
Greenery or greenery.
What is it? Greenery.
You said greenery.
Green.
It's green.
Greenery.
Greenery.
Ay, correction,
They
please.
don't want to look at you and me. They want to look outside.
I know, but it's conversation, you know? Greenery. So, dito tayo sa ano guys? Sa Rodstock. Is it Rodstock? Yeah.
Radstock.
After
Rodstock.
300 yards. Church Street.
Andito na tayo guys. Oh, ayan lang. Look at your car daddy. Same. 9,700. Yung cute. Yeah. So, yung red car guys, yun yung ano, test drive ngayon. So, that's 12,000 pounds. It's going to get the key. Yeah. So, this is the different on yours.
Yeah, you got to lift it.
It's 20.
You see the lever? Feel the lever.
Yeah.
Right, pull the lever and release the handle.
Release the handle.
Put your foot on the brake. All the way down.
I know.
Now let go.
Okay, like that.
Right. Then let go. Right. Now just grab the handle and pull it up till it clicks.
Okay. It's just too hard.
No, you got to lift it up when you. No.
What?
Listen. Let it click.
Okay.
Then lift the lever, pull it up once, and then let it down. Right. Now lift the lever, pull it up once, and let it down.
Okay.
Just getting you. It's just working out how to do it.
Okay.
Right. And here,
Yeah.
right, it's in park. It won't work until it's on.
Yeah.
So you're down for reverse, then neutral, and then drive all the way down. Manuals
Yeah.
across.
So park,
Yeah.
reverse, middle, neutral, then drive.
There's all your. It's all the service documents. You took photos of. Got all the instructions on how to do everything.
It's clean, no?
It's lovely. I think it's gorgeous.
And there's no smell.
No, that's true. Got space in the doors.
Yeah.
Got USB there. That's your door locks. Heated windows.
So not.
Automatic. What do you reckon?
So it-test drive na namin guys, pero si Mr. ang magda-drive para ma-compare niya ito sa sasakyan din niya.
See, this driving position is lovely. Same as mine. Like
Diba?
this.
More room na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, look at the dash.
Yeah.
Right. So, look. Temperature.
AC.
So you can
Sat nav.
sat nav, same as mine. Yeah.
So I can search.
Menu. Destinations. Home.
Yeah.
Yeah, it hasn't got one.
I know.
Right, so your phone. So you can connect your phone.
Yeah.
That's the car stuff, where you can do the stop, start, on and off, parking sensors, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And then your apps. So with your Apple CarPlay, when you plug in,
Yeah.
Apple CarPlay will work. Right. So that's good. So radio's here. Cool.
Oh, you saying it again?
Right, so when you're driving it,
Yeah.
right, you park,
Yeah.
right, your handbrake on,
Yeah.
right. Now, when I want to go, I got my foot on the brake, take the handbrake off,
Yeah. And then go.
it's not going to roll backwards.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Because mine it roll backwards.
Yeah, it's got hill start on it, automatic hill start.
Okay.
And here we have Jessica, just about to start the car that we're taking for a test drive. It's a Citroen C3 Aircross, which is pretty much the same as mine. and it's very, very nice.
Yeah. So back in the car, guys, and yeah, we got agreement now. See, we paid the car. We'll see that car next Tuesday. Daddy will pick it up. So, ayan, happy na siya, oh. Kasi gusto talaga niya bilhin yung sakyan na yan. He really wants
Sakyan
to buy
what?
it. I said, sa kanya means you. Yeah. There's car coming.
I know.
Next is we're going to find a flower shop kasi it's my mother's-in-law's birthday soon. So, bibisitahin namin yung grave ng parents ni Mr. Kasi nandito na kami, Daddy, no? We're already here, so
We'll stop on the way.
yeah. Para sa kanila, pag patay na, wala na. Hindi na sana niya bibisitahin.
Take a photo, send it to the girls.
Yeah. Pero tayo kasing Filipinos, kahit patay na, we still visit the family, diba? So, nakabili na ako ng bulaklak, guys. £3.50 ito. Tapos ito is naka-reduce na from 8 to 4 pounds. So, hindi ka allowed maglagay ng buong bouquet. So, kuha lang tayo natin isang bulaklak. 1 flower each, Daddy, no?
Well, we'll see when we get there.
Yeah. Tapos iturok lang. Kalimutan kong dala ng kandila.
Take a photo.
So, andito na tayo, guys, sa grave. So, kukuha lang ako ng ng bulaklak para itirik natin ng ganyan. Kasi not allowed not allowed na maraming iiwan. So, maglagay ako ng dalawa. Kasi guys, ako talaga guys, matagal ko nang gusto dalawin sila sila papa at mama, kasi papa at mama tawag ko eh. Ilang beses kami dito dumaan. Ayun ni Mr. kasi nga, what's the point? Pero lalo na nandito naman kami at saka magbe-birthday yung dalawa, magkasunuran sila. Daddy, lock your car, Daddy. Ah, okay. Because mom's birthday is June 9, tapos yung daddy niya July 7. Yeah. So, ayan. Yeah. So, ayan guys. So, tapos na yung bisita natin, no? So, nag-silent, lang ako. Prayer at kinausap ko sila. Siyempre, naging iyak na konti. Kasi, siyempre, naalala natin nung buhay pa sila. Kasi mabuti sila sa akin pa. So, ayan lang. Happy birthday. And happy birthday for both of you. Soon. No, I'm saying happy birthday for both of you. Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
Dito na tayo sa bahay kasi ayusin ko lang yung bulaklak. Sila gin, Daddy? Pensibin ko, no? Daddy, no?
Yeah.
Ayusin ko lang itong bulaklak. So, ayan, nabili na natin yung sasakyan. Ano siya, 5-year-old kasi 2020. Tapos, ang kagandahan is na-trade ko yung old car. Na-trade namin ng 9,400 pounds. Ay, nahulog. Tapos, ayun. At least wala tayong wala tayong nagalaw na na pera kasi iniisip ko talaga din na huwag galawin yung nakatabi ba. Kasi pag ginalaw yung nakatabi, bababa yung yung interest. Buti na lang, meron kaming natabi na cash. Yun ang ginamit din namin, pambayad. Tapos yung trade money sa Aigo namin. Sa Aigo car ko. Tapos yung kanina pala sabi ko this morning na minura tayo ng maaga. Kasi ganito yan. Sabi niya kasi, bibili natin yung sakyan. Sabi ko, huwag ka muna basta-basta magdesisyon na bibilhin. Titingnan lang natin, kaya nga mag-drive test eh. Kasi iba yan siya pag sabihin mo iba yan siya pag sasabihin mo sa kanya na gusto mo yan, kasi bibilhin talaga niya pag alam niyang kaya. Kaya be careful what you wish for, kasi ipupush talaga niya yan. Kasi Daddy is a good provider. Daddy, no? You're a good provider, Daddy, no?
Not anymore.
You are, oy.
Not anymore. I'm useless.
Oy, don't say that. Oy, I hate you when you say that. Because you're not useless, ba? You're a lot better than the other husbands. You know? Naalala nyo guys, yung isang compo natin nabili last time sa Tesco, 3 base. Ito nabili ko sa Coop. Ito isang base lang ang nalagyan. Pero, it's okay lang. Lagay ko sa sala. Are you telling your sisters?
Yeah, look, yeah.
Si Mr. Kate, nagmarites agad, oy. Sinabi niya yun sa kapatid niya na, nabili na namin yung sasakyan. Tapos pumunta kami doon sa dating bahay na magulang nila. Tapos dumalaw kami sa Puntod. Ganun sila, nag-update sila. Siblings. Oy, alam niyo ba? Last time, nagtanggal si Lester ng mga bulaklak and he accidentally threw the live plants. He doesn't know about it.
Well, if you will stick them in the bloody dead plants, what am I supposed to do?
Natapon niya yung bigay na na halaman dati kasi si Ben. Tumubo pa naman yun. Monkey naman itong nabili kong Ito yung sobrang binigay ko sa Puntod ni in-law. Kaya nga, back tayo sa sabi ko kanina na minura tayo ng maaga-aga. As in, big F talaga. Kasi sinabi ko huwag mo nang bibilihin. Kasi pag talagang bibilihin niya yan. So kaya na pag alis namin, talagang sigurado siya. Nagbitbit na siya ng cash. Kaya babayaran na niya. So ayan guys, na sort out na din namin yung yung insurance, kasi dito guys hindi mo pwedeng i-drive yung sasakyan pag hindi insured. Kailangan yun i-insured agad kasi hindi nakapark sa amin ano man mangyari, at least insured sila. Kaya thankful ako kay Mr. dahil siya yung gumagawa ng mga admin. Siya din tumatawag sa sa car insurance kasi wala akong alam nun eh. Wala akong idea. Meron akong kunting idea, pero limit lang kasi English ko guys. Tapos minsan hindi ko maintindihan yung yung accent ng iba pagkausap sa phone. O siguro bingi lang ako. Kasi hindi ko maintindihan talaga yung ibang pag nasa kabilang linya yung mga nagsasalita. So anyway guys, so kanina habang nag-aayos kami ng paperwork at naungkat ni Mr. ang aking email, kasi kailangan niya buksan yung email ko para sa sa documents. So nakita niya doon ang email ko, tapos pinagsabihan ako na kailangan ko daw i-sort out. So bago maglaro ng game, so i-sort out ko muna yung emails ko guys. Tapos napalitan na ang ating sasakyan. Gato kasi yan talaga guys, hindi ako talaga nagmamadali, hindi gaya ang tigas no. Hindi talaga ako nagmamadali na bumili ng ng sasakyan. Kaya lang ito si Mr. pag sabihin mo may gusto ka, mag-research agad yan. Pag nagustuhan din niya, bibilihin niya. Siya impulsive buyer. Kaya kanina na namura tayo kasi pinagsabihan ko siya agad kasi siyempre kilala ko na siya eh. pag gusto niya, talagang hindi na siya makikinig, as in bibilhin na niya agad, tapos sa huli na pagsisisi, ganun. So natutunan ko na yun, kaya nire-remind ko lang na huwag padalos-dalos ba. So anyway, kanina nga nung nakita ko ang sasakyan, nag-hinayang pa ako gumastos kasi. So anyway, tapos na. Ayan, nakuha na namin yung sasakyan. Parehas na kami happy kasi parehas kami joint decision, no? Napag-usapan namin mag-asawa. So wala kaming issue dyan. Okay na, na-sort out na yung gustong bilhin. Nakita na natin yung sasakyan na para sa atin. 5-year-old car siya, pero mas maganda yung specs niya kaysa sa old car ko. Mas malaki din konti. At si Georgie kasi palaki ng palaki. At least pag ano siya sa car seat niya ba, makapag-stretch siya kasi sa maliit ko na sasakyan. Parang naawa ako sa kanya. Parang nahirapan ba. Hindi makasyadong makapag-stretch. So, ayan. So, end ko na yung video. Update na lang natin. Update ko kayo pag makuha na namin yung sasakyan. Pwede naman sana namin kunin. Kaya lang, yun nga, kailangan ayusin yung insurance. So anyway, kukunin ni Mr. yung sasakyan ngayong Tuesday kasi off niya. Kasi hanggang Tuesday lang din insured yung iGo ko. So, Tuesday. So, update ko kayo. Ayan. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.